Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo to Google Drive from your Android phone, and I will explain each step clearly. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. This app is where Google stores your online files, so when we upload a photo here, that photo will be backed up online, and you can open it later from any device. Now, inside Google Drive, look at the bottom right corner, you will see a plus button. Tap on that. This plus button is used to add new items inside your Google Drive, like folders, files, and uploads. After tapping plus, a menu will pop up. From that menu, tap Upload. This upload option is specifically for choosing files from your phone to send into Google Drive. Now your phone storage will open. Usually you will see folders or sometimes directly your images. Go to Photos or the folder where your image is saved. Tap on the photo you want to upload. After you tap it, Google Drive may show the location where it will store the file. You can keep it in My Drive or choose another folder inside your drive. Now confirm by tapping Select or Upload at the bottom. Your photo will start uploading. While it uploads, you may see a small circle icon or a small arrow showing progress. When the upload finishes, the photo will appear inside your drive. If you want to organize better, you can press and hold that uploaded image, tap the three dots in the corner, and then choose Move to move it into another folder, or Rename to give your photo a proper name. And that's it! That is how you upload a photo to Google Drive from your Android phone. And now that photo is backed up online, safe, and accessible anytime you log into your Google account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and comment below which tutorial you want next.